love your data? Today, NovaStore brings you 5 rules for a successful server backup relationship. Rule number 1, double your pleasure. An exclusive relationship isn't required when it comes to data duplication. Experts recommend that you create multiple sets of backup files. If your data is stored exclusively with a third party, you run the risk of losing control over your own files. Rule number 2, keep a little distance. Backing up to a local drive may seem like an easy solution, but it's risky keeping all of your backup files at one physical location. In a natural disaster, such as a flood or a fire, you'd likely lose all your data. Rule number 3, make a grand gesture. Regardless of the type of storage you choose for backup files, the cost will likely depend on how much space you need. It's best to buy as much capacity as possible to reduce cost per gigabyte and allow your backup solution to scale. Rule number 4, timing is everything. Don't wait too long to schedule a backup or schedule those backups too far apart. Your server will inevitably crash the day before the backup job was supposed to happen. Back up your data every day if at all possible. Rule number 5. Keep it simple. Nobody likes an exhausting relationship. Look for server backup solutions that include professional setup assistance to ensure that data is secured properly from day one, like those offered by NovaStore.